Hello students, let us see one problem from the Cengage book. A compound is made up of particle A and B. A form FCC. So A is forming what student? FCC. Okay. B is occupying octahedral void. B is what? Octahedral void. Okay. If all the particles along the plane are shown in figures below are removed, means whatever the plane is given students, that is particles are being removed from there. Means this is the plane students, this area is plane and particles are being already removed from here. Plane from where the ions are removed, other ions are not shown, visualize yourself. Then simplest formula of the compound. Up there students, you see where the number of octahedral void is equal to number of Z effective, or you can say Z effective simple. So that you keep in mind. Means if you are calculating A, number of A particle, B itself you can get, because this is equal only. So A, how can you be able to get? Okay. So particles from here, because it is FCC, so particles are there, all the faces are there. So one particle must be here in the centers, front centers, and one will be back. So where the particles are getting removed, okay, from what the faces are there. So here if you see students, the faces from here, that is this face, the particle is being removed. This face, the particle is being removed. Okay. So three faces are being removed. Up now you go from the back side. And you will find that is one more phase particles are being removed here. So 4 phase particles are removed. So okay, that you keep in mind student, 4 phase particles are removed. Only left with top and bottom particles are not removed, here and here. Other particles are being removed. So how can you be able to solve this problem? So number of A in bracket CCP, so that is corner. So how many corner left? PQRS left. So how many left with? So if you talk about the left corners, so here that particle 1, this is 2, 3 and 4 are being left. So here 4 into 1 by 8 plus how many phase particle left? 2 into 1 by 2. So you solve 4. So 1 by 2 plus how much will come? 1. 1 by 2 plus 1. So if you solving, how much it will come? 2 1 are 2, 1 3, 3 by 2. Number of octahedral void, number of OV in bracket, that is it is B, equal to Z effective, and Z effective you got 3 by 2. So formula, if you are going to write the formula student, so that is A 3 by 2 and this is B 3 by 2, B 3 by 2. Okay, same formula is coming, A 3 by 2 and B 3 by 2. Let us solve. B 3 by 2, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 both are the common, so that will be the cancel out. So formula will be how much student? This will be the A and B. The formula of the compound is AB. So thank you so much for watching friends. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel.